Welcome dear students. In our last lecture we learned practice set 3.3. Today's our topic is practice set 3.4. All the sum which are included in a practice set 3.4 are application based. That is application of arithmetic progression. Now dear student, in chapter 1st and 2nd chapter we learn statement problems. While solving that statement problem, you definitely come to know that if you understand the meaning of a statement, then and only then we can solve the sum. Therefore, in this practice set 3.4, statement problems are there, and to solve this statement problem, you must have to understand the meaning of the statement. Here, two formulae we learn to find out the n term of an AP. We learn the formula Tn, and this formula we use to find out the particular term of an AP, and another formula, that is Sn formula. This formula we use to find out the sum of n term of an AP. That means two formula we have to apply. One to find out the particular term of an AP, and second to find out the sum of n number of given AP. Dear student, we have to decide which formula we have to use. For that purpose, we must understand the meaning of the statement. See the first question. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save ₹10, ₹11 on second day, ₹12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what will be her total saving? Dear student, see, 1st January 2016, Sania saves ₹10. On 2nd January, Sania saves ₹11. Like this, every day Sania saves some amount, and 31st December 2016 she saves some amount, and we have to find out her total saving. Total saving means on the first day Sanika saves ₹10, second day 11. Like this, in the whole year of 2016 she saves some amount, and we have to find out the total saving at the end of year. That means Sanika saves every day some amount, and we have to find out the sum of that all amount. Now see here, the year it is specially mentioned that 2016. And dear student, all of you know that this 2016 is a leap year. That means when this 2016 is divisible by 4, then that particular year is known as a leap year. And in ordinary year there are total 365 days are there, but in a leap year one day is a more, that is 366 days will be there. Therefore we have to make the sum of these 366 days. That means amount saved by Sanika in every day. We have to make the sum of all that. That means we have to find out the Sn. Dear student, if it is mentioned that how much amount Sanika saves on 31st day, see the difference. We have to find out total saving up to 31st December 2016. That means we have to find out the sum of all savings. But if it is mentioned that find out the amount Sanika saves on 31st December, at that time we have to use the TN formula. That means how much amount Sanika save on 31st December. We have to find out the total saving. Therefore, we have to find out SN. Dear student, if you observe on first day, Sanika saves rupees 10, next day 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. That means the difference between savings of two consecutive days is common everywhere. That means savings of Sanika for every day is an AP. That much we have to write first here, and then we have to use the SN formula. Dear student, savings of Sanika on each day is an AP. Therefore, 10, 11, 12 and so on. This is an AP. Sanika saves in the year 2016. In 2016, there are 366 days. Got it? Therefore, total savings of Sania is equal to S366. I think everyone understood this. Savings is an AP. 10, 11, 12. This is an AP. Sanika saves in year 2016. In 2016 there are 366 days. Therefore, total savings of Sanika is S366. Here, first term A is equal to 10, common difference, D is equal to 1, and we have to find out S366 is equal to how much. Now we have to use the formula. SN formula we have to apply here. Therefore, directly we have to write SN is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. S366 is equal to 366 upon 2 into 2 into first term A is equal to 10 plus 366 minus 1 into D. D is a 1. Now 366 upon 2 into 20 plus 365 into 1, that is 365. Now here 366 upon 2 into 20 plus 365, it is 386. Got it? Now see here, sorry, 385. Now we have to simplify this. 2 1 ja here, 366 upon 2, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, 1 is remaining, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 3 ja 6. Therefore it is 183 into 385. See dear student, this simplification you did not have to do here. In exam you have to leave as it is. You have to do this work at a rough work. Now see here, as 366 is equal to, we have to multiply this, and if we multiply it is 70,455 rupees. Therefore total savings of Sanika is rupees 70455 in the year 2016. Dear student, I have already told you which formula we have to use. That we have to decide. If you understand the meaning, then it is very easy to find out which formula we have to apply, whether we have to use Tn or Sn. Let's see the second question. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agree to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Dear student, see the last sentence. Find the amount of the first and last installment. We have to find out the amount of first installment and the last installment. That means we have to find out A and last installment, that is supposed to be Tn. These two terms we have to find out. For that purpose, what information is given? One man borrows rupees for, how much it is? 8,000. Rupees 8,000. A person or a man borrows 8,000 rupees and agree to repay. He have to repay this amount to that particular person. He have to repay this amount along with interest. That means that person, he have to repay this 8,000, no doubt. But along with that 8,000, he have to pay extra amount, that is interest, that will be a 1,360 rupees. That means he borrows 8,000 rupees, but along with this 1,360 as a interest, he have to pay 9,360 rupees. Now first understand the meaning. See, that person borrows rupees 8,000, but he have to repay that 8,000, not only the 8,000, along with that 8,000 he have to repay interest 1,360 rupees. That means he have to repay this 9,360 rupees to that particular person. But he did not have to repay this 9,360 at a one time. He did not have to repay this amount at one time. But he have to repay how much amount? 9,360 in installment. How many installment will be there? There are total 12 installment. In 12 installment, he have to repay 9,360. Understand the meaning of this statement. See, first installment, second installment, third installment, like this there are total how many installments? 12 installments. And if we make the sum of all these installments then that sum will be how much? Yes, dear student, it will be a 9360, because this 9360 you have to repay in 12 installment. That means if we make the sum of 12 installment, that will be a 9360. That means, dear student, we know that as 12 is equal to 9360. Got it? See, dear student, we know that sum of 12 installment as 12 is 9360, and we have to find out the first installment and the last installment. Dear student, see here, one more information is given. The next installment is less by 40 than the preceding installment. Next installment is less by 40. That means, suppose we assume that the first installment is 100 rupees. Then the next installment is less by 40. That means it will be a 60. Then next installment will be a 20. Like this, the next installment is less by the preceding installment by 40. That means, dear student, if T1 is supposed to be 100, then T2 will be a 60, T3 will be a 20. Now, can anyone tell me what will be the difference between these two consecutive terms? It is 60 minus 100, then it will be a minus 40. Dear student, the next installment is less by 40, less than 40. Therefore, always remember the D will be a minus and it will be a minus 40. If in the case installment is more by 40 at that time, then that D will be a plus 40. Remember this thing. When the next installment is less than the preceding installment, at that time the difference, common difference, will be a minus. Therefore, here the next installment is less by 40 than the preceding installment. Therefore, D is equal to minus 40. Now, dear student, we know S12, we know the common difference, and we have to find out A and D. I think, sorry, A and TN. Last time we have to find out. I think everyone understood the concept. Now we have to start. Now see here. A man have to repay rupees 8,000 in 8,000 with interest of rupees 1360 in 12 installments. Therefore, he have to repay 8,000 plus 1360 is equal to 9360 rupees 9360 in 12 installment. Therefore, S12 is equal to 9360. I think everyone understood this. Therefore, he have to repay total amount 9360 in 12 installment. Therefore, SN is equal to 9360. Here, each installment is less by 40 than preceding installment. Therefore, D is equal to minus 40. And we have to find out A is equal to what and Tn is equal to how much. Now dear student, see here, we know the Sn, therefore we have to use the formula for Sn. Now see here, we can use the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear student, S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2a. We have to find out the value of a, plus n is 12 minus 1 into d. d is minus 40. Minus 40. Now see here 6. S12, we know S12 it is given 9360 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1, it is 11 into minus 40. Dear student, 9360 upon 1 into 2 upon 12 is equal to 2a, 11 into minus 40, it is minus 440. Now see here, we have to simplify this. It is here 9360 upon 1 into 2 upon 12, 2 1s are 2 6s are. Here 6 1s are 6, 3 are remaining, then 6 5s are 30, then here it is 3, 36 6 6 are, and this is 0. Therefore we got here 1560 is equal to 2a minus 2 440. Now see here what we have to do. 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a. If you make the addition, it will be a 2000 is equal to 2a. Therefore 2000 upon 2 is equal to a, 1000 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to 1000. That means the first installment is 1000 rupees. Now we have to find out the last installment. We can solve this by two ways. We can use the Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out T12, that is the last installment. T12 is equal to first term a is equal to 1000 plus 12 minus into minus 40. Now see here, T12 is equal to 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. T12 is equal to 1000 plus minus 440. Now it is 560. Therefore last installment is rupees 560 rupees. We have to write the final answer. Dear student, instead of Tn, to find out the last installment, we can use the another formula. Now I only show you the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus Tn. That is the last term. This formula also we can apply. Dear student, try with this formula and verify the answer. It will be the same. Therefore here we have to write first installment is equal to 1000 rupees and last installment rupees 560. I think everyone understood this. Write it in your notebook, and by using this verify the answer. It will be a 560. See here, Sn, that means S12, we know 9360, we know n means 12, and this a means 1000, and we have to find out Tn. Try to solve by using this and verify your answer. Dear student, see the third sum. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested rupees 5,000. First year 5,000. Second year 7,000. In the third year, it is 9,000. That means every year he invested some amount in a national savings certificate scheme. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. Total amount, see here. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. This is T1. All of you understand now this. It is T2. It is T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, 11 and T12. Like this he invested every year. And we have to find out total investment. That means we have to find out S12. Got it? Suppose how much amount he invested in 12th year. Then we have to find out T12. But dear student, see here, investment of Sachin for every year is an AP. Tell me what will be the first term? Yes, very well, it is 5,000. And what will be the common difference? Common difference will be a 2,000 and we have to find out S12. Now everyone understood this carefully. Now see here, we have to see investment of Sachin in every year is an AP. First year 2000, first year 5,000, second 7,000, 9,000 and so on. This is an AP with first term. A is equal to 5,000, common difference D is equal to 2,000 and we have to find out S12 is equal to how much. Now see here, we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S12 is equal to 12 upon 2, 2 into first term is 5,000 plus n, it is 12 minus 1 into d is 2,000. We substitute the value. Now we have to solve this. Now see here, S12 as it is 6 into 5,000 into 2, it is 10,000 plus 12 minus 1, it is 11 into 2,000. Now dear student, this is 6 into 10,000 plus 11 2s are 22, 3. Now here 6 into, we have to do the addition of this, it is 3 2. We have to multiply this with 6. Therefore S12 is equal to 1,92,000. Therefore total investment of Sachin in 12 years is rupees 1,92,000. Got it? Very easy, very simple, and interesting sum is there. Now we have to start with the fourth one. Let's see the fourth sum. This one is different from the previous three sum. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. One auditorium is there, and in that auditorium there are chairs which are arranged in 27 rows. Suppose this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Like this there are 27 rows. In each row there are some chairs. There are 20 seats in a first row. In a first row there are 26. In second row 22. Third row 24, 26, 28. Like this the number of seats are in a rows. Find the number of seats in the 15th row. Like this there are row 5, 6, 7. This is the 15th row. In this 15th row, how many seats are there? That we have to find out. That means we have to find out, dear student, T15. I think you understand this. In the first row there are 20 seats. Second row 22, 24, 26, 28. Like this there are total 27 rows. Out of that 27, we have to find out how many seats in the 15th row. That means we have to find out T15. Second part is there. Find how many total seats are there in an auditorium. That means here there are 27 rows. Now in this 27 rows, we have to find out the total seat. That means we have to find out S27. Isn't it? See, dear student, seats in each row, the number of seats in each row is an AP. Isn't it? See here, difference is 2. Here it is difference of 2, difference of 2. That means common difference. That means the difference between two consecutive terms remains same. Therefore, the number of seats in each row. See here, the number of seats in each row is an AP. That means in first row 20, 22, 24, 26 and so on. Got it? This is an AP with first term A is equal to 20, common difference, D is equal to 2. What is this? T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, like this D. We have to find out T15 and we have to find out S27. That means in this sum we have to use both formulas. First we have to use Tn. Now Tn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes student, be careful. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. T15 is equal to first term. It is 20 plus 15 minus 1 into d. D is equal to 2. Therefore 20 plus 14 into 2. 15 minus 1, it is 14. 20 plus 28. Therefore it is 48. That means in 15th row there are 48 chairs or 48 seats. This is the one part or the first part of the sum. Now we have to find out total number of sets. That means total number of sets, that means we have to find out S27 is equal to how much. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 into 2 into a. First term is 20 plus 27 minus 1 into d is equal to 2. Now see here 27 upon 2 into 40 plus this 26 into 2. Now 27 upon 2 into 40 plus 52. Then 27 upon 2 into 92. Now simplify this. It is 27 into, it is 46. 27 into 46, it is 1242. Therefore 1242 S27. Dear student, there are 1242 total sets will be there, and in 15th row there are 48 sets. Got it? See, in a one sum we use the two formula. First we find out the Tn and second we find out the Sn. Here it is, total number of seats in that auditorium is 1242. Write down the final answer in a word. Now we have to start with the next sum. See the next fifth one. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. It is already given that the temperature from Monday to Saturday is an AP. The conditions are given. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of the temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. Dear student, see, temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, all the readings were in AP. That means first of all we have to assume. Therefore let temperature from Monday to Saturday B. First will be a Monday temperature is A, then second is a plus D, third will be a plus 2D, then A plus 3D, and here it is A plus 4D, A plus 5D. Now see here, these are the temperature from Monday to Saturday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is Saturday. Now see the condition. One condition is that all these are in AP. It is already given. Now the second condition. What is the condition? Sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday from given condition. Sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. This is the temperature of Monday and this is the temperature of Saturday. We have to make the sum of that. The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. It is not Monday to Saturday. Sum of Monday and Saturday. Therefore it is A plus 5D. Now how it is? This sum is how? it is 5 degree more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. That means if we make the sum of temperature of Tuesday, it is A plus D, plus this A plus 5D, that is the temperature of Saturday, and it is more by 5, therefore it is plus 5. See again, the sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday is equal to more by 5 than what? Than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. Therefore A plus A, it is 2A plus 5D is equal to A, it is 2A plus 6D plus 5. Now dear student, 2A minus 2A plus 5D minus 6D is equal to 5. We take out this here. Now see here, it is 0, minus D is equal to 5, multiply with minus 1, we got here D is equal to 5. Got it? Here we got D is equal to minus 5. Got it? Minus D is equal to plus 5. We multiply with minus 1 on both sides. This minus D will be plus D and this plus 5 will be a minus 5. That means we got the value of D is equal to minus 5. Now see the next. What we have to find out? See, if the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree Celsius, Monday, Tuesday and this Wednesday. From second condition, temperature of Wednesday, that means A plus 2D is equal to minus 30. It is given. Now we have to find out, substitute this value, this is 1, and here we write here A plus 2 into D is equal to minus 5 is equal to minus 30. Therefore A minus 10 is equal to minus 30, isn't it? Now A is equal to minus 30 and this plus 10. Therefore we got here A is equal to minus 20. Now we got A is equal to minus 20, D is equal to minus 5. Now we have to write the temperature. Therefore temperature, first day, it is A is equal to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Second day, A plus D is equal to minus 20 plus D is equal to minus 5. It is minus 25 degrees Celsius. Now third day, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, A plus 2D. Here A is minus 20 plus 2 into D is equal to minus 5. It is minus 20 plus minus 10. It is minus 30 degrees Celsius. Dear student, it is already given A plus 2D is equal to minus 30. Then A plus 3D is equal to minus 20 plus 3 into minus 5. It is minus 20 and minus 15. It is minus 35 degrees Celsius. A plus 4D is equal to minus 20 plus 4 into minus 20. It is minus 20 minus, here it is minus 5. Minus 20, it is minus 40 degrees Celsius. And last day, A plus 5D is equal to minus 20 plus 5 into minus 5. it is minus 20 and minus 25, it is minus 45 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature of Kargil from Monday to Saturday will be like this: minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degree, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 35 degrees Celsius, minus 40 and minus 45 degree Celsius. Dear student, this is important one. We find out d is equal to minus 5, and from this given we find out the value of a. Substitute the value, very easy. Now we have to start with the last sum, sixth one. See the sixth one. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in a shape. Triangular shaped land is there. On that land, tree plantation program was arranged. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is a one tree. Suppose this is the first row, one tree is planted. In the second row there are two trees like this, and in the third row 3 trees like this, and so on. Find the total number of trees in 25 rows. See here, this is first row, second row, third row, like this there are 25 rows, and we have to find out total number of trees planted in 25 rows. See here, we did not have to find out number of trees in 25th row. We have to find out the total trees in 25 rows. That means there are 25 rows. In first row, one tree. Second row, there are 2 trees. Third row, there are 3 trees are planted. Like this, how many rows are there? 25, and therefore we have to find out the total number of trees. That means we have to find out S25. Therefore, dear student, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Numbers of trees planted in each row is an AP with first term A is equal to 1. What will be the common difference? Common difference D will be a 1. Difference is 1. Got it? We have to find out S25 is equal to how much? Because there are total 25 rows. We did not have to find out the how many trees are planted in 25th row. We have to find out total number of trees planted in 25 rows. Therefore, we have to find out S25. Dear student, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. Therefore 25 upon 2 into 2 plus 24 into 1. Therefore we got here 25 upon 2 into 2 plus 24. Therefore 25 upon 2 into 26. There student, 25 into 13. Now (325). Therefore, dear student, S25, that means total number of trees planted in 25 rows is 325. Got it? Now dear student, see the meaning of the last statement. We have to find out the total number of trees planted in 25 rows. Total number of trees planted in 25th row is not there. If it is like that, then we have to find out Tn. But here we have to find out the total number of trees planted in 25 rows. Therefore it is S25. Therefore total number of trees planted is 325. Dear student, here we completed application part of this chapter, arithmetic progression. Now in next lecture we will see the problem set. Dear student, the sum related with this are there in a problem set. Try to solve. If you have any doubt, then comment me in a comment box. Now next video we will see the problem set 3. Thank you.